There are 3 things that you should never do when it comes to your video marketing, and there's one thing you should always do. I'll share all 4 of those in this 60-second video marketing tip so you can give your 2022 video marketing a little jumpstart. First, never be a jerk. Right? That sounds simple, but I've seen people attempting to be funny, attempting to get attention by being controversial, and they just come off as arrogant. It falls flat or starts a fire, and there's no need for that. So, bad behavior. Also, don't exaggerate. Don't make outlandish promises that you can't deliver on. Don't do the old bait and switch, right? That's like a car dealer offering a super deal on a popular model, so they lure you in just to upsell you on something else because there's only one at that price. Don't do that. And when it comes to posting, don't try using a clickbait headline and stuffing a bunch of hot keywords in the description as an attempt to just get more views. First of all, it doesn't matter. It doesn't work. Disappointing people is senseless, and we are never going to outsmart the algorithms. So don't do that. But do this. Be you. Do you, right? Just be you and do you. Give value to your viewer. Be funny. Teach something useful. Answer some questions, right? Try to inspire them to do something. Be real, be authentic. Again, you do you. It can be fun. Listen, this is the year for video. This is the year for video marketing in your business. Would you like some support? Well, learn about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart. It's a pretty good course, a lot of fun. Just go to socialjumpstart.com/join, and I'll see you there or in the next video.